In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. In this video, we will know how to set up Visual Basic in different applications of Microsoft Office package. In these applications, for example, Word, Excel, Outlook, PowerPoint, and Visio, many tasks can be automated by macros. The version of Visual Basic language that is used to write macros is called VBA, means Visual Basic for Applications. VBA is just like VB6, and can be used to create VB applications. But applications developed by VBA can only run inside Microsoft Office applications such as Word or Excel. You cannot create standalone applications with VBA. However, you can use VBA Editor to learn VB6. VBA Editor already exists in Office applications, you just have to enable it. Let's see how to enable it in Word and Excel, etc. To enable Visual Basic Editor in various applications of Microsoft Office 2003, for example, Excel and Word, etc. Click the Tools menu first. Then click Macros. And then click Visual Basic Editor. To enable Visual Basic Editor in various applications of Microsoft Office 2007, for example, Excel and Word, etc. Click the Office button first. Then click Word Options or Excel Options. Then click Popular. Then select Show Developer tab in ribbon, and click OK button. And then click Visual Basic in the Developer tab. To enable Visual Basic Editor in various applications of Microsoft Office 2010, 2013 and 2016, for example, Excel and Word, etc. Click the File menu first. Then click Options. Then click Customize ribbon. Then select Developer from main tabs and click OK button. And then click Visual Basic in the Developer tab. This is the end of our video with the grace of Almighty Allah. Thanks for watching.